This is my Stihl chainsaw MS-170. Got this back Christmas time. It's a nice looking little chainsaw. Not sure what size bar it's got, but it's good. Good run little chainsaw. I like it. Excuse me. It's a really good little chainsaw. I've really enjoyed it. I haven't used it that much. Need to get a new chain for it. I've already dulled it, so I need to get a new chain for it. I should start it up, but it's raining outside right now, so I don't know. I might try to start it. Let's see if it'll start. There we go. Let me sit this down for just a sec. Dropped the phone. Not a bad little saw. That runs pretty good. Go ahead and set it off. Yeah, it's a pretty good little saw. I'm not going to make a habit of starting all the equipment today. Sorry about the little toss out there. I dropped the phone when I was trying to start the saw. So this is my Mantis tiller. It's a 50-to-1 2-cycle engine. Great little tiller. I really enjoy it. It's a nice little machine to have. Pull it out here. Sorry about my messy basement. It's where I keep all my mowers. And there's the lawn boy that I took a video of just a few minutes ago. Like I said, this one, nice little 2-cycle tiller. Does really good in the soil. I found out it does work a lot better if you are pulling it backwards instead of trying to go forward with it. But for now, that's about all the tools that I've got. So I need to invest in a weed eater. I'm wanting to get a Stihl weed eater. They're about $300 to $400, I think. Pretty expensive, so that's going to be something I'm going to have to save up for. But just want to give you all a quick video of my tools that I've got so far. And whenever I get the money to get the Stihl, I will post that as well. Thanks for watching.